Saturday. It's Saturday. I'm gonna show you guys real quick what I got from TJMAXX, and yeah, let's just get into it. These I think are gonna be super cute for a little martini. I got this martini glass and there's only 2 left, but it's like a red swirl and it was $3 on sale. 2 of these martini cocktail glasses. I think they are so cute. Yeah, $3, can't beat it. That would be cute. A bag of these spicy dill pickle chips, kettle chips. So hopefully these taste good. I like dill pickle chips anyway, so why don't I just try one just to see. It smells good. These are good. New pajama shorts, and they have little hearts on them. Cute. I got some Juicy Couture underwear just because they're cute and they're pink and they're really girly, so I thought that they were cute. And this set comes with 4 for 4. It's a cute little, you know, dainty little setty. These are the shorts. They have pink hearts all over them. And that's the top. You know, a cute little lingerie piece. Some powder puffs because I ran out and I needed some refills. And these are pink. This is $6. I was looking for a lunchbox like 3 weeks ago, and when I went they didn't have lunchboxes. I promise you, I walked that whole store and I didn't see any lunchboxes. But they had lunchboxes this time, so I got this one. This is by the brand Fit and Fresh. I have a lunchbox by them already, and it just has pink bows on it. This one has cocktails all on it. I think it's really cute, and yeah, this is going to be my lunchbox. Some Ray-Don socks, and these are just super cute and girly. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pairs. And yeah, you know how socks be disappearing, so these are cute. There's some dish sponges or brushes so that you can wash dishes. Yeah, I'm about to go make some golden milk, and I'm about to watch the show that I fell asleep on last night. So I'll see you later, Bookie. Hey my girl. I know you're probably like, where the have you been? I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I brought in the new year working, since I work for a hospital now. No days off, literally. But yeah, I just been trying to adjust to my new job and schedule and trying to figure out all of that thing, because it's rotating shifts, so it's not like a set time that I have to be at work or anything like that. My shifts change literally like every week or even twice a week, so it's kind of like me trying to adjust to a new schedule. But that's okay because I'm learning and growing every single day, and you know, I'm kickstarting and trying to be healthy, create healthy habits, eat better, no eating out, because we're trying to save moolah, because one of my goals this year is to get a new car, and I want to go on not one but multiple vacations. So in order for that to like happen, I need to stop, one, having bad FOMO, and have fun and enjoy my rent. Like, I pay rent, so just enjoy the rent, and then not eating out. So yeah, that's what we're trying to accomplish, girl. But today, well, right now I'm about to make some goulash. Okay, so I got some beef, and this isn't the leanest beef that I like probably should have gotten, but I couldn't find anything other than this 90-10, which is okay, but it's not, you know, the best. And I'm not trying to spend an arm and a leg on some beef, but I got some beef. I got some chicken broth. I got Mexican style 4-cheese blend, and I got tomato paste and a lemon for my tea that I am going to brew in a second, right after I get this dinner started. So yeah, I'm making goulash or hamburger helper, whatever you want to call it, because I already made noodles and I didn't know what to do with the noodles, so we're just gonna make goulash. And yeah, also I have to show you guys the charm bracelets that I got. I think they are so freaking cute. I don't know why I'm like rejoining this charm bracelet era. I remember like growing up, there was like a super era where everyone was like, oh my gosh, we love Juicy Couture, Juicy Couture charm bracelets, and I remember I wanted one so bad. But the charm bracelets that I got are not Juicy Couture, baby. I don't even think they make them anymore. I think they do make them, but I don't think they make the charms anymore. And yeah, I don't want to spend an arm and a leg on the charms right now. I just want to be for sure that I'm like really into charm bracelets, and then I'll be in like a little collective mood and then start to collect them, but I'm not 100% sure yet. Right now I just got my charms and my charm bracelet from this brand called Charm It, and I never heard of it until, are you gonna focus, ma'am? There she goes. There she is. There she is. Okay, that's the brand. And I never heard of this brand until I was scrolling on Pinterest, and you know, Pinterest is like 50% ads now. I don't know what's going on with that, like but anyways, look, I'm a victim. I'm a victim. Okay, I was scrolling on Pinterest and Charm It came up, and I went on the website and I was like, okay, this is for little girls, but this is cute. Like, these are cute. They have silver and gold charms. I am a gold girl. I don't really rock with silver unless I'm doing a mixed metals look, and I really don't be doing mixed metals like that. But you know, I got the bracelet, and I got about 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. I got 14 charms. So the bracelet itself, I think this little chain here is $10, and then the charms itself are $7, but they were having a sale for the New Year's, so I got my stuff on sale. I don't know what it is now, but I got my stuff on sale. And I'm gonna make a charm bracelet. I got these cute Minnie Mouse charm charms to go on the bracelet because I want to go to Disney. Like, I've been to Disney once I was like a baby, but you know, I don't even know why parents really do that, because you can't really remember unless it's like something like super memorable that's gonna stick out in your mind. You can't really remember, you know, your trip to Disney as like a 1-year-old. I don't remember anything. Like, and then I never just went back. So I want to go to Disney this year, and I'm gonna pray that it happens. So That's why I got my Minnie Mouse bracelet. The only thing I wish that they got a SpongeBob bracelet. That would have been fire. SpongeBob. 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 Alright, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna show you what my goulash looks like after I finish, but I'm gonna go. Okay, I just chopped some onion. That's why my I have my glasses on. So I'm gonna drain my meat. I'm gonna lightly season it just right now. I'm gonna use some buttery garlic and herb. I'm gonna use some garlic powder. I can't wait. My dad got a Costco membership and he added me on his plan, and I cannot wait to go to Costco. I'm going this weekend. This is onion powder. This is, I'm gonna use a dash of Lawry's just because, you know what I'm saying, Lawry's be a little and I seen someone use a little bit of chicken bouillon, so I'm just gonna use a dash of that in my goulash. In my goulash. In my goulash. My gouger. I'm gonna put it back in the saucepan. Put chicken broth, sauce it up a little bit, tomato paste, add my onions. I wish I had bell peppers, but I don't have any bell peppers, so we're not doing bell peppers. But I wonder if I can make garlic bread, like sprinkle oil on there and then put, I don't know. Okay, I'm about to drain it, put it back on the stove, put my onions in, put a little bit of minced garlic in because I love garlic, put tomato paste in, and put 2 cups of chicken broth in, and then put some heavy whipping cream in, and then do my 4 cheese blend. Smells good. Okay, I'll see you guys.